ping something.
Yeah, you can switch it
Yes,
off.
sir.
No problem.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Yeah, fine, Dheeraj. So what we will do is today we will be solving NCERT examples, okay? And exercise 2.1.
Yes, sir.
So before that, I want to tell you all the values now, all the principal values. Okay. So let's go ahead. So I know you know them, but I'm just revising again. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the function is sine inverse x. One more. Sine inverse x cos inverse x tan inverse x cot inverse x sec inverse x and cosec inverse x. Okay. So now these are ITF.
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Okay. So we need to know domain and range
Yes,
for all. So for sine inverse x, we know the domain is -1 to 1 and range is from -π/2 to π/2. Okay. For cos inverse x, it is also same domain -1 to 1. Okay. And range is 0 to pi. Tan inverse x is defined for, excuse me, all real numbers, right? And range is -π/2 to 2, but this time it is open bracket. Okay? Cot inverse x is range is R, right? Now, eh, cot inverse x is related to cos. Okay? Now, cot is not defined as 90 degree. Okay? So what will be its point, range 0 to pi, right? Minus, it is not defined at 90 degree because 1090 is undefined, correct? Right? Sec inverse x, right? Sec inverse x domain is all real numbers and it is not defined from -1 to 1. So these three things we did not learn, we'll be learning in next class. Okay?
yes,
So because the whole class will be taken by the graph itself, so I don't want to go there. Okay? And this will be okay. So I think
I have a question, sir.
this is wrong. 1 minute, Dheeraj. Sorry, Dheeraj. So, okay, space
Sir,
is less.
I have a question, sir.
Yeah,
So for cot inverse X, it's supposed to be open interval 0 to 5, right? So
yeah. So cot inverse X will be d- different. Let me write it in different places. Okay, so, so that you'll not get confused. Until here it is clear, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. So for cot sec and cos x will write. It is R and this will be 0 to pi open interval. Okay. Sec inverse x will be R minus 1 to 1 is excluded. Okay. All real numbers except minus 1 and 1. Okay. So this will be 0 to pi minus pi by 2. Okay. Because cos 0 is 90. Right. Um, sorry, cos 90 is 0. Right. So sec 90 will be how much? 1 by 0, which is undefined. Right? That's the reason we are taking out. So see, there is a relation between cos and sec. Cos is going from 0 to pi. Right? So sec will go from 0 to pi minus wherever it is not defined. And the last one is cosec inverse x. Right? Cosec
Yes.
inverse x is related to sine. Right? So what is the range of sine? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Right? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Right? Right? And where it will not be defined, it will not be defined at 0. 0 is excluded. Right? Because sine 0 is 0. Sine 0 is 0. Right? So cosec 0 will be 1 by 0 undefined. Right? Getting my point? So in which places an identity is not defined? Right? Suppose cos is 0. Cos 90 is 0. So sec 90 will not be defined. Right? That's the reason. Just remember these three identities: sine, cos, tan. Okay. And sec and cos x will be like sec is reciprocal of cos. So just write the range of cos. Okay. And at what angle cos is not defined. Okay? That one you can write 0 to pi minus pi by 2. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. So these things will help us in doing the exercises now. That's the reason I thought that I will do it again so that it will be easier for us to know take a glance and have it. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So the first question is we have to find the principal value of sine inverse half. Okay. So I'll give you. Do you have NCERT book?
Yes. I can get.
Hmm?
Uh,
No, no, no. D- Do you have in your okay? You have it. Fine. So we'll be solving NCERT first. Okay. Because direct questions are coming from here. Yeah. So if it is not clear, just let me know. So find the principal value of sine inverse 1 by root 2. Okay. First question is find the principal value of sine inverse 1 by root 2. Right? So one trick I want to give you, whenever you are solving any question, Dheeraj, okay, like all the inverse function, if inside angle is positive, sine inverse, right? Cos inverse positive, tan inverse positive, right? Cot inverse, if angle inside is positive, okay? Sine cos tan cot sec and cosec. Right? So the answer, the angle will always lie in first quadrant. It will always lie in first quadrant. We know, right? This one. Suppose this is like this. This is 0. This is pi by 2, pi and 3 pi by 2. Correct?
Yes.
All right. So what happens here? 0 to pi by 2, all entities will be positive. You know the trick?
Yes.
All students, right? Tan class means 10 class. All students of 10 class. A stands for all. Okay? So here it is A. Here it is S. In this quadrant, S. In this quadrant, T. In this quadrant, C. Means here in first quadrant, all sine, cos, tan, all the entities will be positive. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
In second quadrant, S means sine. Right? So here sine and its reciprocal, sine and cosecant. Right? These two will be positive. Rest will be negative. Okay?
Yes.
Here tan will be positive and cot will be positive in third quadrant. Okay? This is third quadrant. And in fourth quadrant, only cos and sec will be positive. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
Now, so my question is, first one I'm trying to solve this. Right? Sine inverse 1 by root 2. Right? So see what trick we did. Right? This angle is positive. So answer should lie in first quadrant. Okay? But we don't know. We have to solve it. So how we'll write the solution? So let sine inverse 1 by root 2 is equal to x. It means sine x equal to 1 by root 2, which implies sine x equal to 1 by root 2 is the angle of what? For what angle sine will be 1 by root 2?
5.
Pi by 4. Right? Now this side entity and this side entity, both are sine. So this x value will be equal to pi by 4, correct?
Yes.
Which implies x equal to pi by 4. Right? So x, we assume x is this entity complete. Right?
Yes.
So therefore, Sine inverse 1 by root 2 is equal to pi by 4 is our answer. Okay, let us solve these questions, Dheeraj. Sine inverse 1 by minus 1 by 2, cos inverse root 3 by 2. So I am going to exercise 2.1 NCERT. So the first question is find the principal value of sine inverse minus half. Sine inverse minus half. So what should we assume? Let this is equal to x. Now we have to also write range. Okay.
Yes.
X belong to, we should give the range of sine inverse here. Right? This range will be sine inverse. Pi by 2 to pi by 2 minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay? Now we simply solve it. It is sine x equal to minus half. Just keep solving this side. How much is minus half?
6.
Sine 30 degree is half.
Yeah. Yes.
So I will write sine pi by 6. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Now here this side entity is sine, but this side is minus. So we cannot write, we cannot equate. So I need to bring this side also in the form of sine.
Yes.
So we can also write it is sine minus pi by 6.
Yes.
Right? Because sine minus theta equal to minus sine theta. Right? So wherever you are writing minus sine theta, that value will be this one, minus sine theta equal to sine minus theta. Right?
Yes.
Now left side and right hand side are equal. I mean this and this quantities sine is equal. Right? And minus pi by 6. Minus pi by 6 is inside this. Minus pi by
Yes.
6 is minus 30.
Yes.
So minus 30 is between minus 90 and 90, correct?
Yes.
So what is the value of x? Minus pi
Minus.
by 6. Hmm? So we can also write in place of x, what will you write? Just write this entity, right? So the value of sine inverse minus 1 by 2 is equal to pi by 6, right? And how did we write? Because it was asking find the principal value using the principal value range. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now next one. What is next one? Cos inverse root 3 by 2. So this is easy one. Just help me to solve it.
Yes.
Cos inverse root 3 by 2. Can you tell slowly?
Yes. The range is 0 to 5.
Yeah. So x is the range is 0 to 5. So this will become
And cos x is equal to root 3 by 2. And root 3 by 2 is equal to cos 5 by 6.
yeah. So now this pi by
And
6. Yeah.
5 by 6 is in between
Between.
the range,
Yes.
and x is equal to 5 by 6.
So x equal to pi by 6. So, so now you are becoming confident. I mean, you're thinking, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll go to third. Cosec inverse 2. Let us do like that so that it will be easier for me. Cosec inverse 2. Right? As I said, right, these positive values you will not have problem. Okay.
Yes,
Because
sir.
answer will always be in first quadrant. Problem
Yes,
problem will come when we see when it is going to negative value. Right? That time it will be a problem. Okay. So cosec inverse minus x equal to x,
yes, sir.
which implies
X cosecant x is equal to 2.
yeah,
And cosecant pi by 6 is equal to 2.
cosecant pi by 6 is
2.
so now this and this are equal sign, right?
Yes, sir.
And we have to write here what is the
Uh, the range is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, excluding 0.
yeah. So it is cosecant, right? Are we sure? Just now we studied. I'm just want to see. Yeah. So it is related to sine. How will you
Yes, sir.
remember? Cos is inverse of sine. So the range of sine is
Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2.
minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. But we are writing for cosecant.
Yes, sir.
So minus in which places sine is 0? Sine is 0 at 0. So that point will be excluded. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So this is how you just remember 3. Rest 3 will be automatically coming with practice.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Fourth one. Tan inverse minus root 3. Now problem comes. Tan inverse minus root 3 is equal to x. Right?
Yes, sir.
And x should belong to
Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, open interval.
open bracket. Okay. So I'll open this. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay. Now let us solve. No problem. Tan x equal to
Minus root 3.
minus root 3. Now what is minus root 3?
Tan minus pi by
Cos, how much is 1 by root 3?
uh,
Cos 60 is 1 by root 3. Hmm? So sec 60 will be root 3. Okay. So somewhere 60 is coming. Angle is 60. Right? But now I cannot write.
so
Okay.
cos 60 is supposed to be 1 by 2, right?
What one? I, why did we go to cos? I should have gone to tan, right? Okay. Give me that. Now you tell.
Uh, uh, it should be tan minus pi by 6.
Tan pi by 6. Okay. Now we know, right? Sine minus theta is minus sine theta. Right? Cos minus theta is cos theta.
Cos theta.
And tan minus theta is minus tan theta. So here we have minus tan theta. Right? This is theta. So I can write it
Yes.
10 minus pi by 6. Now I only need to check whether this comes in this range. It's coming. Here the range is minus 90 to 90, correct?
Yes, sir.
We will not include minus 90 and 90. And here what is? Pi by 6 is 30, right? 10 minus 30. So this minus 30 is between minus 90 and 90, right?
Yes, sir.
So this angle lies between the principal range value for tan. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I can easily write now because left side and right side tan or signs are equal. Okay. Tan x. So tan and tan is okay. Right? So this x value will be minus 30. X equal to minus 30. But what is x? In the exam, write the complete sentence. Tan inverse minus root 3. Tan inverse is equal to 30. Clear? You're thinking, what sir is doing? I'm checking. Clear?
Yes.
Any doubt?
Yes.
No. Okay. Cos inverse minus half.
Yes.
Can we do it slowly together?
Okay, sir.
Cos inverse minus half equal to x. Now, the range of this is x would belong to
0 to
0
5.
to pi. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this will become cos x equal to minus half. Right? Minus half is how much cos is minus half?
Minus 5 by 3.
Cos pi by 3. Right? Now the problem arises. What happens? Cos minus theta is equal to minus cos theta.
So
So I cannot write it now like
sir,
this.
it's not supposed to be minus cos theta.
This is cos theta. Okay, sorry. So there only is problem now. So I cannot write like that
Yes, sir.
because cos minus theta is cos theta. So I cannot write pi by 3. This is wrong. Okay. What should we do now?
Um,
So we know one property, right? This one. Cos value is between 0 and pi.
yes, sir.
This is 0. This is pi. Right? And minus pi by 3 does not come between in this range. So it is not possible. But what is possible? Right? Cos pi minus theta means, see, this is all students 10 plus. Right? So here in this quadrant, cos is minus,
Yes.
cos is negative. So if I'm writing pi minus theta, so pi minus theta will be coming in this quadrant only.
Yes, sir.
Right? So cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta.
Theta.
Right? So we can write it like this. Cos pi minus pi by 3. right?
Yes.
Right? Getting what we are doing, we are
Yes.
checking with principal value. Hmm? If because if you will not check this, then you will be writing x equal to minus pi by 3, which is not correct.
Yes.
So now you solve it. Uh, so this is 3 pi minus 1, 2 pi by 3. Hmm? But now also in exam, don't write the answers. Okay, just check it. 2 pi by 3, 2 into 180 by 3, which is 120 degree. And 120 degree is between 0 and pi, right?
Yes.
So the value of x is 2 pi by 3. So the value of cos inverse minus half is 2 pi by 3. Getting the difficult level of questions, right? So once you understand the uh, trigonometric identity and things like that, like all the range, you have to compare. So whenever we solve any problem and answers are not coming, so just think that what else can I apply it? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll go to sixth, tan inverse minus 1. So this must be easy now. Tan inverse minus 1 equal to x. Okay, now tell slowly. 10x equal to minus 1.
Range
Here
of
x
tan
belongs to,
minus 5 to 2 pi by 2. Open it.
yeah,
Uh, uh, Minus tan 5 by 1.
yeah. So this will be 10 minus pi by 4. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Because 10 minus theta is minus 10 theta. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now this and this are symbols are same, right? Sign is same, both left and right side. This is positive, this is positive. So x equal to minus pi by 4. In exam, don't write x, write full. Tan inverse minus half equal to minus pi by 4. Okay. And for better practice and all, once video is uploaded in YouTube,
Yes, sir.
you take these notes yourself, because your hand should have a feeling that what I'm solving. In front of
Yes.
camera and things, it will be very easy. But sometimes what happens, if practice is not there, then you might forget. Okay? So
Yes, sir.
practice. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Question 7. You said you have to go by 8:30, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll do one more questions and then we'll cot inverse root 3. 7th, right?
Yes. So seventh one is okay. Yes, sir.
Easy, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So maybe you can solve and send me in WhatsApp homework.
Okay. So I can just do it now and show it to you.
Yeah, that is also fine. You can just tell me.
Uh, okay. Secant x is equal to 2 by root 3.
Mhm.
Uh, um, secant is secant pi by 6 is 2 by root 3.
Hmm.
X is equal to pi by 6.
Okay. All right. So we'll wind up here. Um, Maybe I'm not taking your class tomorrow. I'm going out with family.
Okay.
Um, Sunday, how is your schedule? Are you going out or somewhere?
Sir, I don't know, sir. Like I'll ask my mom to speak with you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But whatever I have done in 3 days, do you think that you are getting confident, you are understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But one more thing, Dheeraj. NCERT is just for your board. Okay. We have to
Yes,
do
sir.
something else also. So once NCERT is done, we'll do some uh, difficult level questions, because in your CBSE exam also questions are coming from sometimes a lot of competency questions are there. Okay, IIT
Yes, sir.
related questions are there. So once we go extra miles, we will be able to have a good grasp of the subject. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, Dheeraj. Let's see you on. I'll speak with your mother and see how it goes on.
Yes, sir.
Um, it takes 1 hour to upload videos, Maybe you can watch
Yes.
tomorrow. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye.